In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp to manage multiple businesses efficiently. Whether you're juggling separate brands or just want clean boundaries between teams, this walkthrough will give you a clear, repeatable structure you can rely on. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, the first thing you'll do is create a separate space for each business. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name each one in a way that's instantly recognizable, like Business A or Business B. Think of a space as a dedicated home for that business. It keeps tasks, projects, and reporting neatly contained so nothing crosses over by accident. Inside each business space, create folders that mirror your core departments or workflows. A simple, effective set includes operations, marketing, sales, and finance. This ensures your work is organized by function, which makes permissions, reporting, and focus much easier to manage. Within each folder, build lists that represent ongoing processes or specific projects. For example, in marketing, you might create campaigns and content calendar. In finance, add invoices and expense tracking. Lists help you separate the day-to-day from project work, while still keeping everything in context. Next, add tasks for individual action items or milestones. These can include launch ad campaign, submit tax documents, follow up with client, or a product development task. Keep task names short but clear, and add descriptions or subtasks if needed to capture the details without clutter. To make tracking easier, add custom fields. Useful fields include assigned team member, deadline, business name, priority, and status. Custom fields turn your task list into a rich database, letting you sort, filter, and report across multiple businesses with confidence. Use consistent task statuses across all businesses, such as to do, in progress, review, and completed. Consistency helps teams move between spaces without confusion and makes dashboards and filters far more reliable. To monitor progress, switch between list, board, or dashboard views depending on what you need to see. Boards are great for visual flow. Lists are ideal for detail work, and dashboards give you high-level visibility. If you manage separate workspaces, click your profile icon and choose which workspace to move between them. And just a quick note, you'll find the ClickUp website link and the desktop app download link right at the top of the description, so you can jump in quickly. That's it. You now have a ClickUp setup to manage multiple businesses smoothly, with clear organization and easy visibility. Thanks for watching.